Electrolux dryer not tumbling? Diagnose and fix it. Hi there, Yevgen here from Appliance Fix Lab. Today we are tackling a common dryer issue, a spinning problem with this Electrolux dryer. You may notice that your dryer is heating up as usual, but your clothes are stubbornly damp. This can be frustrating. But fear not, in this video I walk you through the steps to diagnose and fix the culprit behind a non-spinning Electrolux dryer drum. A missing or broken dryer belt. Reason for service call. The dryer is working, but the drum not spinning. If you turn the dryer drum by hand, it rotates freely, like not connected to the motor. Electrolux dryer diagnostics. I open the dryer door and spin the drum. The drum rotates too easily. This indicates to me that the dryer belt has come loose. I remove the top cover of the dryer and make sure that there is no dryer belt. In order to determine the reason for the lack of a belt, I remove the front panel of the dryer. I found a broken belt at the bottom of the dryer. It will have to be replaced with a new one. To replace the dryer belt, the drum had to be completely removed. I remove the drum and install a new belt. Before assembling the dryer, I carry out maintenance. I clean the dryer from dust and clean the dryer rollers with a special anti-dust lubricant. The dryer has been technically serviced, the dryer belt has been replaced. I am starting to assemble the dryer. After assembly, I check the functionality in all modes. Success! The Electrolux dryer is operational and ready for use. You subscribe and like. I am making new videos on appliance repair and maintenance. Together we can fix any problem. See you soon. Bye bye.